Hello guys, welcome back to the Dino project. Today I'm going to show you how to do task number 3. So on the task number 3 it states, on the 2021 projection worksheet, enter a formula that multiplies the value in quarter 4 column by the Q3 underscore increase range. Use the range in the formula instead of a cell reference or value. So how you would complete task number 3 is, first, you go over to 2021 projections. From there, you click on quarter 4. For a formula, it always starts with an equal sign, so key in the equal sign. Then you click over to quarter 3. And then for the multiply, it is the star sign. Then you key in Q3. And as you can already see, there's already a cell reference that was set it up. Click on it, then hit the equal sign. From there, you can drag the little cross arrow down, and that will be the autofill. And there you have it. That is how you complete task number 3.